Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I have another, as you can see from the title, another big Chanel unboxing. I'll be unboxing my new Chanel bag. Well, it's not that new because I bought this a while ago. I think I bought it beginning of January, and I really wanted to post some outfit pictures the other day on my stories and on my Instagram, and I realized I've never officially unboxed it, so here it is. This is my Chanel 19 unboxing. Yes, this is my first 19 bag, and I can't wait to show you what color and size I got. So yeah, if you're interested, keep watching, and don't forget to come follow me on my Instagram, where you can see how I style my new purchases, my daily outfits, or some outfit inspo. You can also find me on TikTok, but I'm new there, so if you're interested, come say hello. I would love to see you there as well. Let's get started. Okay guys, so this is the bag. As I mentioned, I got it back in January. I think it was the 12th of January. I have the receipt here next to me so I can tell you exactly. Yeah, on the 12th of January, I remember it correctly. So yeah, this is the bag. I've already unboxed it and I've worn this bag so many times, so I can kind of give you a review of the bag as well, but let's unbox it together. Can you guys guess which color I got? I'll give you a little hint. I have tried this color on and I mentioned that I really like it, but instead I ended up getting another bag before, so this had to wait. I had to box this bag, so I put a little camellia here, but let me quickly unbox this and show you what it is. Pause the video and leave me a comment. Let's see how many people can guess the color. Are you guys ready? Ta-da-da-da! Let me leave the box here so I can show you the bag properly. So here she is in all her glory. My new beautiful Chanel 19 in this gorgeous burgundy color. This one I believe was from the fall winter collection. Yes, I'm pretty sure it was from the fall winter collection. You might remember me trying this on in a shopping vlog. I will make sure I link that video up here. I ended up buying another bag. I bought the yellow Chanel classic flap. So it was between the yellow classic flap and this back then, but I ended up choosing the yellow because I thought it's a bit more unique and I really didn't want to miss on that yellow lemony color, and you know how much I love my classic flap bags, so this had to wait. But I'm so happy that I managed to get this as well, because it is such a beautiful, gorgeous color, and I couldn't stop thinking about it, so I knew I would eventually get it if it's not sold out, of course, and they had a few left. So I actually ended up buying this from Harrods. They had one available in Harrods, one available in Selfridges, but the one in Selfridges had an uneven flap. So I ended up getting this from Harrods because it was perfect. As you can see, this is a very soft, squishy bag. It's like a little pillow. It is so cute, and the best way to describe this color, I will insert some close-ups so you can see the color better. Hopefully it will show more true to color, but I would say it is a deep burgundy with a brownish undertone. It looks a bit more red in certain lighting. For example, when it's a bit more sunny and bright, it looks a bit more red. Indoors, I would say it looks a bit more brownish. So to me, this was one of the best colors I've seen the Chanel 19 in, and I definitely wanted to get the Chanel 19 in a dark color, but at the same time I didn't want to get it in black because I think black bags are a bit boring. So when they launched the fall winter collection and when I saw this beautiful burgundy, I fell in love. I thought it's the perfect shade. It's a beautiful neutral color, and I already have another burgundy bag from Senreve that I wear so much to work. It is my work bag, and I know burgundy goes with every single outfit. So yeah, I thought this would be a great choice and very wearable. I wanted a very wearable, easy to style everyday bag in a darker color, and this was perfect. So this is the bag, and again, let me show you what I got for the bag, because as you can see, it's quite soft and unstructured. So I got myself another Samorga organizer that I wanted to show you. So this is it. I will open up the bag. Inside we have this beautiful, is it showing? I'm gonna show you an up close again. So it has a beautiful matching burgundy lining in fabric, and there is a zipper with a pocket at the back. I really love the Chanel gold plate. It is so beautiful. My bag is made in France. So as you can see, the bag is not leather lined, it is lined with fabric, and that is one of the main reasons I really wanted to get myself an organizer, just to be on the safe side, because leather lining is easier to maintain. You can just wipe it if you spill something, or if there is any dust, you can just wipe it clean, whereas fabric is a bit more tricky to clean. So that was one of the main reasons I really wanted to get an organizer, and as you can see, this one from Samorga fits absolutely perfectly inside. It doesn't take up more space. It is made of felt and it has 2 pockets, so it will not only protect the inside of your bag, but you can also organize your bag very neatly so you can find things easier. And yeah, when you close it, as you can see, the bag instantly looks a bit more structured. And this bag, I know it could be a bit problematic after a while, because I've seen some Chanel 19s with a saggy bottom, which is not a nice look. So in order to avoid that, I wanted to get an organizer to keep the shape and structure of the bag. It won't lose its shape now. As you can see here, I will compare it with and without the organizer. You can see it instantly looks a bit more structured. The front flap of the bag also looks a lot more straighter with the organizer inside, because the leather doesn't bend. So yeah, it is great. I'm so happy. I will make sure I link my one. By the way, they come in different colors, so you can pick a contrasting color as well. And yeah, I have a discount code, so if you want to get yourself an organizer, my code is still active. I don't earn any commission from it, it's just a little thank you from me and Samorga. I decided to go for the small size because I thought it suits me the best. I have tried on other sizes. I think I've tried on the maxi before, and that one is way too big. So my 2 favorite sizes are the small and the medium. Or actually, it's a bit confusing because on the website this is the medium, and then the next size up is large, and then the next one is the maxi, but everyone calls this the small. So sorry if it's a bit confusing. This is the smallest 19 they are currently doing. This is perfect because you can wear crossbody. The size up looks a bit too bulky when you wear it crossbody, so I definitely wanted to have the option to wear it crossbody. I feel it looks the best in the small, and I have been mainly wearing this bag as a top handle. This top handle is a game changer. It is so practical and so easy to carry this way. I also wear it on one shoulder, but yeah, I love to wear this as a top handle. It is such a beautiful everyday bag because of the design. It is very edgy, very young and beautiful. It is something new from Chanel. This was actually Karl Lagerfeld's last design, so this is now classic. This means that with every price increase, these go up in price. And when I was looking at this bag back in, I believe, November or December, when I bought my yellow classic flap, this was under 4,000. Unfortunately, I bought this in January and they already had a price increase, so I paid a bit extra. I have the receipt here, I paid £4,130. So yeah, unfortunately, they will go up in price from now on with every price increase, because they are in the classic line now, together with the boy bag, classic flaps, Gabrielle. So yeah. Actually, I forgot to mention there is a back pocket with a magnetic closure. Can you guys see? And this is so easy to get in and out of. It is magnetic, so easy to open, easy access. You can put your face mask. I normally put my face masks or receipts here in the back pocket, so yeah, super easy. And I also want to compare this size to, I bring my medium classic flap, just show you a size comparison between the sizes. They're quite similar, however, because this is a structured bag and it is a double flap, it doesn't fit as much. This, because it's squishy, you can definitely fit a lot more, so I love that. But I normally don't tend to carry a lot with me anyway, but you can fit quite a lot in here, although it's a small size. And yeah, I love it. I love everything about this bag. I really love the beautiful Chanel logo. I like that it looks a bit more edgy, but at the same time it is very classic because they have been doing this logo with the leather detailing for many years now. They have so many accessories and belts with this exact same logo, and I have an example here. You guys know that I bought the It boots from Chanel last winter with the same Chanel logo. I also have this belt. So they have been doing this style in earrings, in bracelets, in belts, other accessories, brooches, and they are classic. They're in their classic range. This belt, I believe, is also from their classic range. So to me, this is a very timeless classic logo from Chanel that won't date. And last, I wanted to talk quickly about the hardware, which I really love. I love that it has mixed hardware. So here on the front, it has this chunky gold chain in aged gold, and there is some gunmetal, shiny gunmetal. Also we have the matte ruthenium gunmetal, and also here on the strap we have a leather piece which sits really comfortably on your shoulder and the bag doesn't dig in. But the bag, I don't find it heavy at all. It doesn't dig in when I crossbody it or when I wear it on one shoulder, and I don't find it very heavy. Maybe if I put more things inside it could potentially get a bit heavier, but I think it's fine. It is definitely on the lighter side compared to some other bags. So yeah, hopefully I'm not missing anything. I really love how this gold hardware pops against the burgundy. It looks so beautiful. Okay guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed this quick Chanel unboxing and short review of my new Chanel 19. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I would love to hear from you. Also, if I've missed anything, if you have any questions, let me know and I'll get back to you. I would love to hear from you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for taking time to watch. I hope you have a lovely day or evening, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.